Hi, I'm Emily McClellan, VP of Partner Growth and Customer Success at Bongo. At Bongo, we believe that skill readiness is not defined by passing a test, it's about proving competence. As credentials are becoming commodities, many of our customers are using Bongo as the capstone to more authentically assess learners and therefore bring more credibility and value to your credentials. With Bongo, we make it quick and easy for you to evaluate learner videos against a rigorous assessment criteria. Let's show you how that's done. I'm going to use a general example today. That example is about how to be certified on agile development concepts, but you'll hopefully be able to see the art of the possible and how this applies to your own programs. Traditionally, certifications involve a multiple choice exam, but Bongo strives to create a more scenario-based assessment. In this example, this learner wants to be certified on becoming an agile Scrum Master. But moving this from a traditional multiple choice assessment to a more scenario-based assessment may cause you to ask yourself three things. What exactly am I going to be looking for in this video? How am I going to have time to watch these videos and score them? And how can I be sure that learning is happening in the moment so that the final video proves that the learner is skill ready? The first step is the ability to have AI automatically generate clear, tailored assessment criteria from your program's materials, whether it's training documents, video transcripts, or assessment rubrics. Our goal is to save you time and effort in coming up with these learning objectives on your own. However, if you already have solid learning objectives, you can enter them here too. In this case, I'm going to use this article on what is Agile. I'm going to copy and paste the contents and enter them right here. When I click on Generate, we're now interacting with the generative AI to go out and take some of the key points and learning objectives that are relevant based on the material. Something that is crucial is that we are not training the models on this material. Your information is therefore safely protected. You could see that this generated 5 learning objectives, and you have the opportunity to go through and choose the objectives and criteria that matter the most to you. We are now going to determine how we want this assignment to be evaluated. While we have many options for human evaluation, we've introduced a new evaluation type called Smart Scoring. Smart Scoring is the ability to automatically score. By evaluating learners' video submissions against each learning objective, it ensures a detailed, consistent, and unbiased evaluation, freeing you from traditional time-consuming manual grading processes. Here you can determine if you want the score to be automatically sent to the learner, or you can have human intervention and review the score before it's delivered. I'm now ready for learners to engage with this particular assignment. At Bongo, we want to provide learners with a safe space to practice, refine, and perfect their skills. The best way to practice is to 1. Understand what the goal is, and 2. Receive immediate feedback so you can pivot in real time. The first thing the learner sees is the learning objectives that we just generated. Once a learner records their video, Bongo's AI coach evaluates the learner's tone, presentation, style, and delivery. When learning objectives are generated, the feedback is meticulously tailored to each learner's video submission and aligned with the learning objectives, ensuring it's both relevant and actionable. Just like the learning objectives, learner videos are not used to train the AI model. Rest assured that your proprietary information is safe. Once the learners have digested the feedback, they have the opportunity to go and add a new practice video and try again. When they're ready, they'll choose the video they want to submit. Because we have enabled the Smart Scoring evaluation type, this video is now automatically scored. I have the opportunity as a learner to go in and see how I performed against each learning objective. If you did want to review and modify the scores, you can easily do that. I can look at this and I can either accept the 22 out of 25, or I can go into the details. Once I review the details, I can say I either want the score to be lower or I can increase it. Once I save that, the new score will be available to the learner. While you can automate the entire scoring process, you always have the option to provide time-stamped feedback, which adds a layer of human intervention that complements the AI coaching. Throughout this journey, Bongo places utmost importance on data protection, ensuring all information remains confidential and secure. Our goal at Bongo is to accelerate learner growth and significantly enhance your organization's ability to scale in line with business demands.